Hey everyone, Chase here at Rocky Mountain ATV, and this is our product spotlight for the radiator braces from Works Connection. All right, so today we want to give you a sneak peek at a product for any dirt bike that I think is one of those must-have accessories, and it's these radiator braces from Works Connection. Anytime I talk to a rider that has a bike and he asks me, he says, Chase, what should I put on here? It's probably one of the first things that I always recommend. You know, radiators, they're not cheap to replace, and they can get damaged or bent up pretty easily. I've even seen them get damaged or bent just in a simple tip over. So if you're looking to get some reinforcement for your radiators, then these radiator braces are an awesome route to take. They're made from aluminum, so they're lightweight, they're super strong. And as you can see, the way they work is pretty simple. They just bolt right up to your frame, all the mounting hardware comes included, and they just give a lot of rigidity to the back of your radiator. So if you do have a crash or a tip over, it's gonna give a lot more support and you're much less likely to bend or break your radiator. So protect your investment. If you wanna add some more support and protect those, pick up the Works Connection radiator braces. They have them in silver and black. If you guys have any questions about these, leave your comments below, we'll get those answered. Pick up a set for your bike. It's real simple. Just click on the link at the end of this video. They are bike specific. So when you're picking yours up, just make sure you enter the make, the model, and the year of your bike, and that's going to ensure that you get proper fitment. If you guys like this product spotlight, give it a little thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and that's going to keep you up to date on the latest product spotlights that we're constantly rolling out. I am Chase. We'll see you on the trails.